Reusable cloth masks are a great way in slowing down the transmission of the COVID-19 virus. That being said, it is essential that we use proper care and cleaning to make sure that we don't contract the virus from a contaminated mask. The best way to wash your face mask is in a washing machine. I would recommend using a mesh delicates bag to place your mask or your family's masks in every time you use them. So if you go out for any essential job, business, whatever, and you come back home, wash your mask. It has to be washed every time you use it. Put it in a mesh delicate bag and throw it in the washer on a delicate cycle. I would recommend using hot water, and if you have a mask that has designs or any color, use color safe bleach. When taking your clean mask out of the dryer, carefully remove your mask by the straps with clean hands, just as you would when you put it on and take it off of your face. Always touch your mask with clean hands. Once you have it, put it in a sealed bag or Tupperware container where it can stay safe and uncontaminated until your next use. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns regarding face masks or cloth coverings in the comments below, and we hope that you guys are staying safe at home.